In this video, I am talking about function overloading. So, Java language facilitates designing a number of functions with the same function name. Okay. However, the parametric types must be different. Such functions are called overloaded function, and system is said to be function overloading. Okay. So, we already know about the functions. Means the instruction set or the process in a complete in a certain type of work which assembles by a process. So in the previous video we see more than one functions are there. Okay, so now what is the function overloading? In that case, the function name are same, all the function name are same, but their work is different. But how? So in that case, when the function name are same, you have to check the parameter list or arguments. So the difference is the type of parameter list and the number of parameters. Okay, see, there are two examples I have. So in that case, first check function name is void calculate, and the type, there are two arguments are there. One is int m, another int char ch. So in that case, two parameters, but the one is one int and another is character. And check next one, void calculate, one integer, second one integer, third one is a character. So parameter list, so in the first case two type int char, second one is two integer, one char. Okay, check another example. Void join string is char ch1 char ch2, one is string and next two is characters. Another function void join string, only a string, void join string, two string values. So that is arguments parameter list. So you have to check these things, that is how many parameters are the type of parameters. Let's start with this one. So in that case, what we have to do, design a class overloading a function calculate as follows. Okay, first void calculate int m comma char ch with one integer argument and one character argument. It checks whether the integer argument is divisible by 7 or not. If ch is s, otherwise it check whether the last digit of the number is 7 or not. Okay, so we have to accept two things, one is integer, one is character. And if the value of ch is s, then check m is divisible by 7 or not. And if the ch is not s, then check m, the last digit of m is 7 or not. Second one, void calculate int a int b char ch with two integer argument and one character argument. It displays the greater of the integer argument if ch is g. Okay, if the ch is g, print the greater number, and if the value is g not, then the print the smaller integer argument. So go for the program. Class name can be any name, but I think void calculate. Okay, so I use function 2. Okay, not function 2, that is I think function overload. I use func overload. Okay, and that part import space java dot util dot star, and after this mm, public. Okay, first I declare a function that is void calculate. Void calculate. First one is int m and char ch. Int m comma char ch. Okay, now if ch double equals I think it should be s. Okay, just write single quote s. Then I have to check the m is divisible by not. If m mod 7 double equals 0, system dot out dot println m is divisible by 7, else m is not divisible by 7. And if ch is not, then it should be else. So in that case, if m mod 10 double equals 7, the last digit of m's last digit is 7. Else m's last digit is not 7. Is not 7. Okay, so that is the first calculate. In the second calculate, there are two integer arguments. One is int a, int b, and char ch. Okay, int a comma int b comma char ch. Now if ch double equals g, then print the greater number. If a greater than b, system dot out dot println a plus is greater else b is greater. And if it is not, then print this smaller. Okay, now if a less than b, a is smaller else b is smaller. Okay, let's check. First void calculate. M is I use 49 that is divisible by 7, and char should be s. Okay, so I use s in single quote. Then 49 is divisible by 7. It is working. Now next checking. Int number, that is 47, and the character is D. 47's last digit is 7. Okay, working. Now check the next, that is 23, and I enter S. 23 is not divisible by 7, matching, and the last one is 23. Okay, 23 last digit is not 7. Okay, then first calculate is working, and the next one is A and B. That is, I think, calculation of greater number. Okay, 23 and 24, and I enter G. Sorry, again a mistake. 24 is greater. Now check 25, 26. Let's do 36, and I enter G. 36 greater, working, and another 2. That means but one thing, if user enters equal value, if both numbers are same, then what will be the output? So in that case I use one thing, that is if A double equals B, system dot out dot, that is the extra addition which I did, that is both numbers are same. So always do these things, that is try to think little wider. That will help you to do correct things. So if user enters both same, that means both numbers are same. That means you don't need to check greater or smaller. Okay, so that is the function overloading. And if you want to add with it with the main function, then public static void main string args. Then so in that case you have to create the object of the class. Okay, this is a small mistake, it should be smaller. So the class name is func underscore overload equals fo equals new func overload open close semicolon, then fo dot calculate. In that case I have to pass one integer and one character. So first I pass 49 comma single quote s. Again I use 49 comma calculate. Okay, then 48 comma single quote s. And these 2 times I use 47 comma G, or it should be 48 comma G. That is the 4 cases. It will be yes, it will be no, the answer is yes, and the answer is no. Let's check. And next, FO dot calculate 24, 23 single quote G. The answer is 24 greater. FO dot calculate 23 comma 25 comma single quote G. 25 greater. FO dot, think if I copy it will be easier. Okay, S 23 is smaller, should be 18, and it is 9. So the answer is 9 is smaller. So we have to call the function and pass values. Now check what will be the output. Now match with the program. Where's the output window? Here. Now check. Divisible by yes, 7 yes, not. Just check line by line. This one. So this one is true, this one is no, it says no. This one is yes, divisible by 7, last digit is 7, 48G, not 7. And then 24, 23, 24 is greater. In that case 25 is greater, 23 is smaller, and 9 is smaller. So all the part is working. And just one thing, when you use overload function, you most probably you don't need to write main function, because this part is not no need to call. If any need, then must follow the question. If in the question they told you that you have to call main function, or you have to create main function, or call all the functions inside of main method, only when you create main function. Otherwise, whenever you use overload function, you don't need to create main function. Okay, now go for the next program, that is this one. So here a class overload function joyString, where first joyString works with string s, char ch1 and char ch2, with one string argument and two arguments ch2 in the given string, and print the new string. Example, if the value of s is technology, ch1 is a and ch2 is o, then the answer will be technology. Okay, replace a with o. So what I have to do, just create a class, that is func overload 2. Okay, just create import space java dot util dot star, and next I think void joyString, void joyString, with string s, char ch1, char ch2. Okay, this part is method header. Yeah, string s. Now replace the main string. Okay, so string is new equals null. So s new equals s dot replace ch1 comma ch2. Then and now print system dot out dot print ln new string double quote new string is new. Just check, pass the string hello, next one e with p, here e single quote p. The new string is hpo hello pxt. So the part is working. Now next function, that is void joy string. In that case, one string argument, and you have to calculate first index of and last index of space. Okay, so string s. Now I use int f space comma l space. So f space equals s dot index of space. Same thing, l space equals s dot, that one will be last index of space. Now print first index of space is f space plus 1. Okay, in that case, that is first 5 means 0 1 2. Print the position of the first space. The position 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the sixth position. Okay, that is the first index is not 5, that is first index is 7, because that is the fifth index. They print index, but in the question print the position of the first space. The position, it will be the sixth position. Okay, that means we have to add it by 1, and the part is, that is the last index. that is L space. S is working. No. Okay, sorry. It will be capital O. Yeah, L space. Okay, there is a little mistake, that is last index of compile, then it will be run as choice string s. So I use a small line, that is I love school BLUEJ. The first index is 2 and the last index is 14. That is I space. That means it is 2. Okay, let's check. I love school BLUEJ. That means, okay, I create few boxes. Sorry. So table with 16. Okay, I space L O V E S C H O L J A B L. Okay, next more. That is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th. Okay, that is the 14th. That is the last page. So the program is working properly. And the last part, void choice string s1 string s2 with two string arguments that combines two strings with a space between them and prints the resulted string. Example, input value of s1 equals Commonwealth, input value of s2 games, output Commonwealth games. Use library functions. So you can easily add two string by using plus, but here the topic is use library functions, so we have to use concat function here. So that is here. So the next one is void joy string, bracket is string s1 string s2. So the string s new equals s1 dot concat s2, system dot out dot println new string is plus s new. Now compile the program. This one, to a string, that is Commonwealth. Okay, COMMONWEALTH string GAMES. So the output is Commonwealth games. And now you think there is a space or nothing. So that is the part of this. But here you can see common space wealth space game. It's not working. If you need, you have to enter. Looks like that. Common wealth string GAMES. Now see the answer. That is a Commonwealth Games. If you need space, you have to maintain it. With the use of concat, you cannot maintain a space. So if you have any question, just comment or mail me. That is the complete part of function overloading. Goodbye.